funnel cake, man. Y'all go check it out. Charlotte, my boy. Ooh, that big got your big. Yo, y'all see what we got, man? We got that funnel cake in Charlotte, my boy. It's a what's it called, man?
Fancy funnel cake.
It's called Fancy Funnel Cake. It's a food truck. They lit it here. Y'all see what we got, man? How much we pay for this bitch? $20. Come get y'all a plate, bro. We gonna try that motherfucker. We got the what? We got the strawberry hot lean. We got the fried, you know what I'm saying, with ketchup on that motherfucker. And we got the shrimp, fried shrimp. You know that motherfucker look good in here. You want a bite? That's tough. You ain't get one like man, nigga. Then we got a big ass burger, boy, with your big ass head, nigga. They ain't got no cheese. Oh, they do got cheese on it. But yeah, thank God for this food appearing in my body. You know, I pray, man. Y'all come check it out. Funnel cake. We finna try it. See what this shit talking about my first time. You feel what I'm saying? Yo. So we got strawberry hot. We'll try strawberry hot first. Fries, who's fries talking about? That shit good. We got the fried shrimp. Look at here. Funnel cake? Funnel cake Charlotte? Fancy funnel cake Charlotte, bro. Shrimp good as fuck. White American cheese. $20 by the way.